How to fix Messenger notification not showing on home screen. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So if you have not been getting any notifications from Messenger, the first thing you have to do is open up the Messenger app. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. Find the menu icon at the bottom right corner. And once you land on here, find settings. Scroll down until you see the notification and sound settings. Tap on it and make sure that your notifications are not muted. So if your notifications are muted like this, just go ahead and turn this one on and make sure each and every one of these toggles are turned on like this. And once you make sure this is all of this is turned on, go back and then head over to settings. Once you're on phone settings, find your app settings by scrolling down, tap on apps, then find Messenger right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for it. Tap on Messenger and then head over to notifications. Make sure that the notifications are allowed for Messenger. Go to categories, notification categories, and make sure each and every one of them are toggled on like this. Then go back. And now all you have to do here is scroll down here until you see the appear on top option. Make sure this is turned on as well. And then picture in picture is also allowed. After doing all of this, just give your phone a quick restart. And then you should be able to fix the problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.